Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you watched my last video where I painted the wall of my office room. It turned out really beautiful. I showed you the before and after, but I didn't show you the process. So I definitely made some mistakes. So today's video is going to be a potions video. I would like to share the tips that I have after my painting experience. I hope they're going to be helpful for your next painting project. Tip number 1, test your paint color. Before you make your final decision on the paint color, make sure you grab several paint colors that you like. Make some swatches, put them onto your targeted painting area, and just to see how it looks at night, how it looks in the daytime, because the paint will look differently with different lighting at different spots of the area. So make sure the color you picked is the one you like, because nobody wants to repaint a project just because they don't like the color. Tip number 2, protection. Painter's tape is your friend, so use them. You want to cover the areas, the corners that you don't want the paint to be on, so that no paint goes on there. And also you want to make sure that you protect your working area. Use big plastic sheet or anything that is waterproof so that no accidents happen. Tip number 3, do not paint at nighttime. This is one of the mistakes I made when I painted my wall, because on that day I was so busy, the only time I was available was at night. So I thought, everything is going to be the same with enough lighting, but no, I was wrong. And the next morning when I checked my wall, I could still see those tiny little pocket holes that was unpainted. So I had to do some touch-up later. But this is one thing that you need to keep in mind. Paint your project in the daytime so that no mistakes can happen. Tip number 4, do not use different brushes. This is another mistake that I made when I painted my wall. So at the beginning, I used a roller foam to paint the entire wall. After I noticed there were tiny little holes that weren't painted, I went in and used a small little brush. But when I got dry, I noticed that they had a different finish, very different finish. It appeared more shiny than the entire wall from the first coat. So that really bothered me. I had to go in and give it another coat. So lesson learned, do not use different brushes. It will create different finishes. Tip number 5, do not be conservative with your paint. Some paint needs 1 coating only, some paint needs 2. Not enough paint just makes the color less even on the surface. So being conservative with your paint actually will make you paint more in the end. Alright, that wraps up all my tips for painting. If you have other tips and suggestions, please leave a comment down below and let me know what works best for you. And if you like this type of video, please give this video a thumb up, subscribe to my video, and hit the bell next to the button so that you can receive notifications when I upload my next video. Alright, see you next one. Bye.